SB Joe in Pattaya. This is Soi 5, Pratumnak. It's nearly 6 p.m. It's a busy little spot round here, and we'll go along the beachfront in a minute. It's Thursday, 16th September. Everyone's coming out for their food. Look at the condos over there. Oh, look how busy it is. All looking good now. Fortunately the bars aren't open. We still have a curfew. Go along the beachfront here. Gets busy now. Everyone comes out exercising. It's a good little spot along here. You got the shade of the trees. It was hot and sunny today. Get burnt again. You can rent a chair, 50 baht. The COVID cases are still under 1,000 in Chonburi. So, and October the 1st, apparently they're going to make a 7-day quarantine for vaccinated tourists. But if the bars aren't going to open up, that's going to be no good. No point coming here on holidays when you can't go have a drink in a bar. Got a beautiful beach, the golf clubs are open, the resorts are all going to start opening up. Good little beach just here. The sand's all washed away, I think, from the flood, but nature will bring it back. This is the Marine Rescue Centre. This is all DONGTAN Beach, goes up to Jomtien. It's the rescue centre here with the rescue boats. Volleyball nets are up and running. The Pattaya Park Tower. See that little cable car there? You go up there, right up to the top. Man, that's scary going up in that thing. I think it's closed at the moment. Volleyballers. Nearly a one-lane road along here, and gets busy at times. Normal times they close this off during the day because it's too busy, but at the moment, well, it's after 5 p.m. now, so it doesn't matter. But I'll show you up here some luxury houses being built, crazy prices in a minute. Nice breeze along here at the moment. It was about 30 degrees today, but it was humid as. It's always humid in Thailand. Oh, look at the storm damage just there. See that? Washed away. All this beachfront land here is going to be redeveloped, and it's big money now, of course, being beachfront. Some cool little restaurants up here too. Oh, there's ones for you. Cannabis for Health. Look at how popular that is. Rabbit Resort. Looks like the spot to go. Busy little area. And these houses just here, I think that one's for sale. Forget the price, it was over 100 million baht. And this concrete thing shell here, that's a 5-bedroom house on its own, 180 million baht. Look at the mansion, that thing, beachfront. Pretty sure they said on the price tag 285 million baht. My goodness. That's about 8 million US. The resorts along here, they all look good. Be a couple of $1,000 a night. You're on the beachfront. Jomtiem's just up here. All the condos. Another resort. Yeah, it's a popular little spot here. Even that cafe there, Sandbar. They all come here for the exercise classes. I think about 6 p.m. They all get ready. We'll go for a little bit, look up here. This is Jomtien, start at Jomtien Beach. See the Copacabana in the distance, that giant high-rise, 57 levels going up. The main road up there to up back to Pattaya. There you see everyone, Jomtien Pattaya Beach, looks cool. A lot of the hotels are still closed. Oh, they must be handing out the food here. There's a lot of people. All the little shops here. This is where you come down to immigration, Soi 5. And there's the beachfront. Oh, look at a metal detecting. Lord, find gold in the sand. That'd be cool. Lost a ring, anyone? Couple of islands in the distance there. Beautiful day, Pattaya. I just thought I'd give you a look, guys. This is what's happening. So if you come here on holidays, no bars, no alcohol, still sucks a bit. Things will get better though. This is P. Joe, over and out. Take care, everyone. Hooroo.